Testing, 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 testing. I think we good. Let me see. Yeah, we good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keys back with another live trading stock slash futures live stream. Today is Wednesday, July 12th, 2026. We're finna get into these markets, but before we do, y'all know what we gotta do. Gotta get our prayer in, so go ahead and bow your head. Dear Lord, we come to you today just saying thank you once again for allowing us to open our eyes, Lord, have breath in our lungs, Lord, have a heart that continue to pound, Lord, to continue to have a right mind and be in our right mind, Lord. Thank you for each and every day that you continue to wake us up and bless us, Lord. Thank you for continue to show us love and mercy day in and day out. No matter how um far we step away from you, Lord, you always will be there in our corner, always will have our side, Lord, be by our side, Lord. We want to thank you that you never neglect us or forget us. You always have open arms, open hands, dear Lord. And I ask that whenever we do fall astray or get off track, that we come back to you and each road leads back to you, Lord. I want to thank you for another day. We're able to be able to spend time with family and friends, Lord. I ask that we don't take things for granted, Lord. We um, really embrace and cherish the moments that we have each and every day. So, Lord, I want to thank you for the ability to be able to trade today, Lord. Thank you for waking us up today, to allowing us to be able to see these charts. As that we continue to gain knowledge, continue to grow, and we do all these things in your name and glory, Lord. As that no matter if we win, lose, or draw today, that we be grateful for the opportunity and we continue to improve. All things in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, here we go, man. Here we go. I don't know why the dang camera lagging, but it's lagging. So, uh, yeah, I don't know why that mother lagging. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. I know I said we was gonna trade options today. I am probably gonna trade options, but I don't know if I'm doing it on stream. That's the thing. I might just do it like right here via my phone while we on stream and stuff. I'm gonna put the background music on. I know I forgot yesterday. All right, but yeah. Finna get into these charts though. Let me delete some of these lines because we got way too many lines on this dang chart. Delete a couple of these before we start zooming in. We got about how many minutes we got to open? 9 minutes to open. We had CPI earlier today at 7:30 or 8:30. If you on what New York time or whatever. Only thing we got left is crude oil at 9:30. Then at noon we have a note. What the world? Why didn't let me delete that? It's okay. Let's go to the daily. There we go. That's probably why I couldn't delete. I couldn't zoom in. Alright. I don't think I got to delete that. Looking at the daily on M&Q. Yesterday we ended up closing bearish. We had high, low. I was looking for us to lead to a higher high because we had an uptrend going on. But then when we closed red on Monday, um, I was like, okay, I don't really know if I want to trade just yet because I was really looking for an uptrend to go. Either we might consolidate. That what we had said on Tuesday. It was like we might just consolidate, so it might not be the best day to trade. And yeah, that we came down. We still closed bearish, but really we ain't really go nowhere. We still stayed within that Friday candle. So to me, we really didn't do much yesterday. Now today with CPI, it look like we're breaking these highs. Maybe we want to break out this consolidation to go up to this higher high. at 30,073. But I'm not too sure. Only thing I don't like is the fact that we did have some hesitation. We still very well can still make our uptrend and go take them highs. But I just don't like the fact that we made this hesitation here. Okay. Don't like that we made that hesitation. Usually I like if we already in the uptrend, high, low, higher, high, that very next green candle we get should lead us to that next high. But once we got a red candle, it kind of, hold up what's going on. As we trying to reverse it, we gonna consolidate, So my biggest thing though today is, can we break this previous high? Go ahead and make this uptrend at 29,985, and then can we hold above it? That's the biggest thing. Can we hold above it? If we can close past it, I'm more confident in taking them highs. If we can make an uptrend above it, like maybe on the 15 or the hourly, I'm confident in taking them highs. But as of now, it's just not the best ideal trades, I'll say. Not the best. So we're gonna probably lower our position size, go down to like one contract, and just trade single contracts today, because it's still not the best day. Even with the CPI come out, we still don't have the best looking charts. So when it comes to MQ, so I'm just gonna keep it low risk, one contract at a time. Maybe we risk 250 to 300 on a day, and that's it. I mean, I'll get into two contracts potentially, but they gotta be like following the strategy, okay? But I think I'd rather just trade one contract, to be honest. Now, jumping over to MYM daily. Don't have the uptrend yet, so that's fine. It didn't make the uptrend yet. I was expecting potentially it might try to make the uptrend, so I was like, okay, if you want an entry, we can go along here. But I don't see an uptrend on the daily, so I wasn't gonna get in. I just put potential scenario. But looking at MYM, look like it make an uptrend here. It's pretty much kind of like with SPY. I mean with MQ. Gotta see if we can make this uptrend, make this higher high, and if we can close above or hold above today, make an uptrend above, we should be looking to go to them next highs. Oh, I'm looking at MES. I'm so sorry, y'all. My bad. Well, MES, we talk about MES then. Well, even MES, it pretty much look like MQ. It got a little bit more space though, so we might actually look to try to take this one. MES might be the one we might try. Got a little bit more space to target. Where MQ is already dang near at target. But this does not have an uptrend. That's the only thing I don't like. It's not an uptrend where MQ was in an uptrend already. So it kind of, confirmed moving along a little bit more. This one not in the uptrend yet, so gotta kind of be careful. I don't know. I still might have to just trade one contract if I trade it. Now we going to MYM. The only reason I got confused, y'all, I had switched my order up of my charts, because usually I have MQ to MYM, but I recently dragged MES up there, so that would threw me off a little bit. MYM, we end up making a downtrend. We got low, high, lower, low. We got a downtrend going on here. So could try to follow downtrend, but it failed to close below previous low, so I'm thinking pull back first before trying to go back down. So maybe on the hourly, if we see a downtrend start forming, we can take a short, or a 15-minute. If it make a downtrend, we could take a short, or we might have to just wait till it comes to this daily gap at 54,203 and see if it want to make the shorts then, short opportunity then. So, but me personally, I would rather just let it pull back today and see what it does. Honestly, I'm gonna be keeping 100, y'all. Today, almost all these charts been weak. I ain't even gonna lie. It just been this week been a week. It been a week, man. It been a week. So I'm downsizing it on all of this stuff. Like MIM, I might only do 2 contracts. That's about it. Oil actually look good, man. Oil, made a high low, higher high. Okay, and kept pushing and broke the previous high, the close pad. So maybe it's trying to build some base here, right here at this area, and we get a green candle, go back and take the high. It's looking nice. I like oil. Oil actually look nice, y'all. It's just we just waiting on maybe today be our pullback. That's what I'm looking for on oil. And I think I was about to take oil last week, um, on stream. I think we was on stream. We was about to take oil longs because we was like we can see it coming up to 82.35, but we just ain't taking. You know, we weren't familiar with oil. I ain't know how it was gonna move, but I'm looking at this potentially. Come on, take these highs out up here. I do see this daily gap sitting here though. I ain't gonna. I see that there. Let me mark that out. Do see that daily gap. So I kind of would want us to hold above that daily gap. Like we could still close a red. I want a red candle, but I want us to hold above this daily gap. Did we already take the bottom? Oh, we took the bottom out. So now I need close above, and then I need a green candle, or you gotta do another retest and then go. So I gotta wait on that. Probably like Thursday or Friday. It'll be good for that. Gold. Gold look like it's making it. Yeah, it's doing its uptrend. Gold pushing. Maybe gold is the only one I could take, but it already made a new higher high. That's the only scary thing. But gold might be the only one we can take today. Oh, it's 8:30, y'all. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm finna go. Let's drop down to the 5 minute. Well, actually, let's drop down to the hourly. Hourly on gold. I don't want that. I don't want it. Hourly on MNQ. Bullish. It's bullish. But it did make a lower low though. But it's bullish, but it did make a lower low. So it definitely made a lower low. So it's not a part of our strategy right now. We can't get in. Let's look at MES hourly. MES hourly bullish. Ain't no lower lows. It's just bullish. So I'm telling y'all, MES might be the one that we have to take. We gotta wait on, let this pullback come, and then if that next hourly green, we taking it back up to them highs. We're really gonna try to take it up to 7,797. Other than that, I think that's about it. Maybe it get a bounce here. We don't know. See what it does. Let's go to NYM. NYM hourly made a lower low, so nope, not ready yet. Not ready yet. But I think we was looking to be short on NYM anyway, so I wasn't even looking for the longs on NYM. I tell y'all, man, it's some weak. These markets been weak to this week, man. I'm gonna be honest. It's just not the best looking setups. Can't really do nothing about it. But we can chill. We can have some fun. All I'm talking about, we on the charts making money. Hold up. Yeah, I'm trying to get all that money so I can spend it all on my honey. Yeah, I'm trying to make ones and hundreds. Keys on the track, keys on the beat. Finna go ahead show you how to trade G. Hold up, yeah, trade the G.F.T way. Yeah, every day you finna get a payday. Hold up, but I ain't talking about the bar. I'm just out here dropping out the bars. Riding like a star. Riding in the car. Alright, come on, man. Let me quit playing. Man, man. It just ain't got no trades, bro. Ain't no trades, bro. Ain't no trades. Ain't no trades. Oh, you know what I can do while I'm sitting here waiting? I can be updating my OBS and making where I can see the chat on the screen. Cause I be having to like go back to different tabs to see if somebody commented. But I think I can add it to my OBS. Let me see. It says full height doc, lock doc, source doc, vertical source, YouTube live control panel. I think that's it. YouTube live control panel. I gotta wait. It's loading up. I don't want to take neither one of these trades. I'm just trying to go out here and get paid every day, every way. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, hey, hey. Man, I've been on this leap, the leap on TradingView. I don't know why. I did it the first 2 days, then I forgot about it. Then I just thought about it again now, y'all. And I'm like, dang, bro. Some of these folks, like, bro, no, the number one dude, he got $170,000 in profit. Like the top 20 probably all 100K. Like, come on, bro. I mean, I know I only did like 3-4 days, but even if I average them, cause like I'm up almost 4,000 right here in 3-4 days. Even if I keep going, I'm averaging about 1,000 a day, and it says 26 total day. I only would have made 26,000. So I'm trying to see how these folks up almost 200,000, and they only let me trade one contract at a time. Unless the more money you make, the more contracts you can buy. That's the only thing I can see. Cause if they trade one contract at a time, how the heck these folks up? Dang, 100,000. That's what I'm trying to figure out. All right. Okay, so it got YouTube control panel. Like it's showing me I can like change the name, but how do I make the comments show up? That's what I'm trying to figure out. It's showing me I can change the name of the stream. I can end the stream. It's giving me them options, but I'm trying to figure out how to make it where it shows my comments. And then why I say bookmark and share? Oh, I'm trying to figure out. Why I say bookmark and share? What's that gonna do for me? It said you are the owner. Switch accounts. Select stream. Maybe click select stream. Nah, they ain't do nothing. It said add description. Man, I'm trying to get the chat. Get the chat box. Alright, let me go back to the listing. It says control, status, scene transition, custom browser dot. Maybe I can click that and make my own. Yeah, let me click custom browser dot. Doc name. Oh, I gotta put. How am I supposed to do that? I gotta put like a link. Let me put comments. Comments. And then it say URL. Maybe I'll go copy this screen. Let me see. But it's gonna probably show my whole stream though. I just wanna get the chat box. That's all. Oh, okay. I could just do this. It say pop out chat box. I can just do this instead. Yeah, pop out chat box. Minimize it. Remove this. I think. Man, what happened to the chat box? That must still loading. Look at these charts. Let's see if anything going on. It don't look like nothing going on. I don't see nothing. Nothing don't look like it's doing nothing. Everything chilling. Hey, I popped out the chat box. I ain't gonna lie, it done made my stuff lag. Come on now, chat box. Yeah, we ain't got nothing going on. Nothing going on. King on the throne. Nah, I gotta exit this. Them pop out chat box made my stuff extra lame. And I done got logged out. Hold up. Turn the camera off. Dang, y'all got my username, but y'all don't know the password though. They done logged me out, man. Come on. It's looking like a downtrend forming on M&Q, but that much risky because it ain't fully a red candle yet. Let me see something. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. What I was gonna do, I was gonna go to the 1 minute and try to see if I see a downtrend, but I said, nah, what we just said, bro, we ain't gonna get on that 1 minute. So I ain't fooling with that 1 minute. It's just 1 minute. It's a new minute. Like a full minute. Alright, let me go back to the stream. Should be good now. Take that control panel thing off because it ain't doing nothing. Here. Man, we probably should be just looking at options because we ain't got nothing going on right here. I'm about to go check out the option chart in a second, y'all. Ain't nothing going on this futures market right now. Ooh, look, good thing we did not go to the 1 minute. We would have got work. I told y'all it was turning, it was looking like a downtrend, but then look what happened. Pushed right back up. Yes, delete 3 items. I'm out here cleaning stuff off the dang desk off my computer. What I was about to do? Oh, I said I'm about to look at the stocks since futures ain't doing nothing right now. Let's see who it be. It's Keys, it's me. Yeah. Alright, let's look at QQQ real quick. Maybe QQQ can show us a little bit more what's gonna happen today. Maybe that's what we need to do. Maybe we need to look at QQQ. I don't know what that noise was. I heard that. Some weird noise just happened. I don't know what it was. Alright, let's see about QQQ though. Alright, come on, let me delete this. This just in the well, nah. Let me see what I had it on here for. It look like it's about to go to target, but it's doing it in the worst possible way. It's literally moving up, but with red counters. How that work? Yeah. Literally. Like, we look like we finna go make a higher high, but we using all red counters to do it. That's crazy. What the word, man? Yeah, I don't. This chart not telling me nothing. I don't like it. Let's see about SPY. Let's see about SPY. Do SPY show us something? SPY don't tell us nothing. This ain't the best looking chart. Let's go look at Google. Google, other than continue to follow shorts. Crowd probably still bullish. Crowd been pushing up. Okay, CrowdStrike might be an entry, y'all. If by like 1 o'clock today, if by like 1 p.m. today, if crowd is finna 1 or 2 p.m. I say 2 p.m. If it looking like it's gonna close green, I think I'm gonna take long. Swing them for tomorrow. Try to take it back up to 27, 227. It's actually just a trade I might take. Yo, it look like it's about to push up now. Maybe I can't take it, but oh well. If it don't go take that high, I think I'm gonna try to take a long. Or if it do take that high and close past, I take a long and swing it tomorrow. So CrowdStrike look like I'm gonna take it today by the end of the day. Don't want that Apple or Tesla, my bad. And I don't. We got high, low. Nah, can't take that. I'm still messing with my Netflix, y'all. Y'all know I've been talking about Netflix. The only thing I'm waiting on now is us to make an uptrend above 75,000. I mean 75.30. Make an uptrend above there. I see us going to 78. Once it breaks 78, then it's game over. Netflix going back to $100. It's dang near gonna be back at $100 once it takes 78. That's what I'm expecting at least. But Netflix doing its job. It's just slowly moving up. That's all. AMD. Nope. Man, these charts look horrible. What the world? No. Microsoft. All I just gotta wait on is a green daily counter. But I don't like this breaking that daily gap. But I don't know. Maybe Microsoft for Friday. Nvidia, no. We just got some bad looking charts, bro. What the? It just literally telling me don't even trade this whole week. What the word? It's like, what is going on? Oh yeah, SpaceX is the only one. Now SpaceX been moving up, but I need an uptrend above 136. That's what I need. Cause where my line at? I know I had a line on here, y'all. Come on, where my drawings at? There we go. I need an uptrend above 136. Uptrend above 136, I like it up to 153. Even if it just make an uptrend now, I might get in if it close past this high. Take it up to 153. We made the uptrend 153, 172, and then so forth, so on. So I really want to see. I'm gonna put alert if we close past this high. So I'm gonna look at it at the end of the day. Today, I'm just gonna put crossing up. I don't need to close because I want to know when it crossing past, and then I'll be watching it by the end of the day, see if we can close past. Because I want to get in before we close past, like when it look like it's about to close past. That's about it, because I ain't really looking at none of these other charts. Let's go back to this MQ. So CrowdStrike and what you call it, SpaceX, on two that we possibly will get in. Everybody else, we ain't fooling with them today. Because the charts don't look the best. Alright, M&Q. Look like you trying to push back up. Okay, M&Q. Okay, M&Q. Let's see the 15 minute. Nope, not showing me nothing. 4 hour. 4 hour in the uptrend. So 4 hour, it might be trying to push back up here. Maybe we can catch a. Soon I said something, bro. Look how it just spiked up. That's crazy. I was just about to say we probably can catch a loan back up to 290, 29, 89.85, but it just spiked up right there. Dang it. Literally soon I seen something, it wanna spike up. That's crazy. Cause this is what I was gonna say, y'all. If you look at the 4 hour, we took that previous high out. Maybe it try to come up here and you know, play around, see if it want to close past or just act like it's trying to close past. But it's too late. It's already down there now. We just be chasing. So what I'm gonna be looking for is, do this 4 hour actually close past. But even if it close past, we can't just straight shake loans. We gotta just see some base start building above 29,985. So we need to be like some type of uptrend above it to make us take loans. You know, so yeah. You good? Thank you. Dang, I got me some breakfast. I'm gonna keep the camera off for right now because I'm gonna eat this breakfast, but I'll still be talking. Still be talking. The boy keep walking. Hey man, we ain't got no. Actually, I'm sorry, I ain't gonna be talking because I don't want y'all to be hearing me then swallowing chew. Just got the music playing. Alright, we back, y'all. We might take these shorts here. And I just thought about something, y'all. I didn't even. I'm on the wrong account. Wrong account. That's the wrong amount. I'm thinking about taking these shorts here. We take this, make this lower low. Go ahead and set the order up. Set the order up. Get some water, bruh. Only thing I don't like is there's an hourly gap finna get created. It's the only thing I don't like. As a matter of fact, let me take this off. I don't like that we got an hourly gap. I can see the short, but I don't like that we got that hourly gap, man. I just don't like that. It might go short for just a split second and bounce right back up. I don't like that hourly gap. Come on, push back bullish, cause I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. Good thing I went to the hourly. Cause I don't like that. I'd rather for it just push back bullish and go back and try to take these highs. But yeah, I was on the dang wrong account. I was on my prop firm account. I mean my, evaluation. I was trying to trade live account, but maybe I'm not supposed to trade live account today since it don't look like the best day. So we gonna let's actually go back. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the prop firm accounts. I mean to the evaluation account. Cause maybe we ain't supposed to take. Maybe we ain't supposed to take, what's the name today? I can see these loans back to 29,985. But I don't know. I'm just gonna say I'm neutral. I'm neutral. I can see both ways. I ain't fooling with it though. It ain't giving what it's supposed to give. You know what I'm saying? It ain't giving what it's supposed to give. And I'm not finna just jump in no willy-nilly trade. We ain't jumping in no any old trade, bro. We trying to wait on a good setup. I bet you gold gave it a good setup today. Gold probably switch bullish on it. Let me go check gold out. Go check this gold chart out. No, gold ain't give us a setup. Never mind. It look like it's about to though. Like it's about to. They didn't give it to us yet. I don't know why I say 2 contracts for gold, but I'm not trading 2 contracts on gold. Oh, that hourly did turn red. That's some trying, bro. I don't know what's going on. Why we got this horrible price action, bro? Like, I don't even want to take the loans. To be honest. But it's gonna make an uptrend, kinda, so I don't know, bro. I'm honestly debating on just getting off. And just saying, forget it. Wait till Thursday or Friday. Cause we ain't getting that. Okay, NYM did give us the option to get in. We missed our opportunity though. At least on a couple of them. Had low, high. Well, no, we ain't missed it because it just now made it low enough. Okay, we good. I thought we missed it. It just now made it low. We should be getting another entry on the first red candle. First red candle. We like to take a short. We look at the 15. Look at the hourly. Where was our target, y'all? We said we targeted what? Was it yesterday lows? I don't think it was yesterday lows. That is technically the first target. Yesterday lows. What we said we was targeting with NYM, y'all. I think we did say yesterday lows. We was looking for if we make a short up here. But by the time we made a short, it already took yesterday lows out though. That's the thing. So technically, I ain't got no dang target. And I don't like trading once the target got hit. Dang, bro. Come on, bro. I might still take one short just to see if we can come back down one more time, but these is not the best charts, bro. At all. And I'm getting cold sitting back here. Let me see if I can get the AC turned off. My wife can take the AC off for me, cause it's getting cold back here. Damn, we ain't getting no trade, bro. We ain't getting no trade. The market out here, man, it really just played in my face, played all day. I'm like, come on, let me just get the trade so I can walk away, so I can go by my day, so I can just do what I need to do, okay? Playing around. Gonna drop it to the ground. Now. I can't get no trade. 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 I just need one trade. Need a little money. Go ahead and do it for me. Go show the honey. Go ahead. It like about to do the shorts. And it's gonna come to this hourly gap, okay? But that ain't no target. I ain't really gonna make no money, so I don't even want to take it. That's some trash. That's some trash. It's finna come down to this hourly gap, but by the time I make the lower low, it's already there. And I can't get in. I can't get in. I can't get in. Oh well, hold up. If it don't close below there, maybe retest here. I can grab it right here at 29,893. Then take it down to the hourly gap. Let's see if it gon' oh never mind, it closed past, bro. It closed back past last second, bro. That's trash. Y'all ooh, this market, they get on my dang nerves. They get on my dang nerves. I was hoping it didn't close past. I was hoping it to come on, give me a pullback, let me get in. They did it, but it did make a downtrend, so we at least got something to work with now, y'all. We got something to work with now. We know we got a downtrend. So we got something to work with. Something to work with. We got something to work with. Got that downtrend. Got that downtrend. That downtrend. NYM in the downtrend. MEQ in the downtrend. MES in it. Man, I knew I should have been looking at MES, bro. It had failed to close below, came back up. Now I probably wouldn't just instantly jumped in, but I could have jumped in this and caught a little piece of this short. Dang, bro. I knew I should have been looking at MES. And I think we said in the pre-market, we said maybe we need to try MES. But that was what us looking to go long, though, I'll be honest. He just ain't getting it. Ain't no, I'm just being honest, y'all. It just ain't nothing going on, bro. Okay, here we go. Oh, man. It already hit target, though. I ain't I wanted to get in the short. I was hoping to pull back, stay up here so I can get in the shorts. Can't get in. It's going down to target, bro. We just ain't getting no entries, bro. This ain't even fair. This ain't fair. This ain't fair. We market don't want to show no love, bro. Crazy. It's going straight to target. No love shown. Why you couldn't make one more green counter, make a red counter up here, then let me get in? We go to the 15-minute, cause this 5-minute ain't getting us no 15-minute no entry either. By the time the 5-minute give us an entry, you're already going to the targets. Like right here, we had low, high. By the time we made our low for the downtrend, okay, that's cool. We get our pullback. The first red counter we see, we're supposed to take it back down to the low. But the first red counter we see already made it past the low. So it's like, what I'm supposed to do? Get in and chase the continuation, or just wait on another better pullback? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait on a better pullback because I don't know how far down this one to drop. I don't know if it want to just stop at previous day low and start consolidating on reverse, or if it want to shoot all the way through. So I just gotta leave it alone, man. I ain't do nothing with it. Now let's go to M&Q. Maybe we can get a trade on here. M&Q. See, that's why I didn't want to take them short shot. When they had dropped, what was it? On the hourly, it was like the last couple minutes out right here. This is why I didn't want to take them short right there. Because I was like, bruh, even if you make that lower low, which it didn't make the lower low, it ended up pushing back up. But if it would have made that lower low, yes, it would have been a downtrend. But I was like, bruh, it's an hourly gap right there. It literally could bounce at the hourly gap. So I was like, that's why we took our position things off. We was like, nah, we're not trying to get in these shorts. Even if we make that downtrend, like high, low, lower, low, whatever, it's an hourly gap there. So it literally can hit in the hourly gap and come right back up. So that's why we didn't want to take it initially right off of it. We want to see it go past the hourly gap and make that downtrend. So we want to see this for us to really get in. Either we want to see this happen for us to get in some shorts. So it gotta be underneath it. Or I wanna see my entry to be able to be like all the way up here. So I can have some room to take it back down to it, you know. Those are the only two ways I want to take them shorts. I don't want to get in right at it because I don't know if it want to break it or not. So that's what I'm looking for. Because like I said, if it would have made that lower low, we would have got in above it or right at it. We would have got in right at it, and we wouldn't known if it want to break through or not. So I kind of want this to at least touch the top of this gap at 29,935. Then if it can reject here and give us a red candle, maybe I should take the shorts down. Take the shorts back down. Stop loss at 29,070. But that's about the only trade I see. If we end up closing back above this daily gap, I might just get off the charts today, y'all. Or I might get off and come back like after 12. I don't know if I'll be on stream after 12, but I'm talking about for me to look back at the charts after 12. So if we close past the daily gap, I think I'm gonna just get off, bro. Well, nah, not if we close. If we don't, I'm gonna say this. We close past, it's gonna make me be like, I don't really know if I want to take this trade. But if we go take this high, this 5-minute high here, definitely finna get off, bro. I'm not, cause hey, I'm not finna sit here and wait on them to remake another trend. And it's taking this long to make the first trend. It's just, and the thing is, that's what I'll be trying to realize now. Like, that's why I'm glad I didn't trade at all on Monday. Tuesday we only took 3 trades, or technically 4 trades, but it was on different accounts. I'm starting to try to, like, I've been realizing it, but I'm trying to follow my, what I'm thinking. If I looking at the chart and it just look weak, like literally I don't see no trend, I don't see none of that stuff, or it look like it's gonna take a long time to make it, just don't trade, bruh. Just wait on the actual day that look good. Just wait on the actual day that look good. You ain't trying to stress yourself out. So, but like I said, I want you to see this rejection here, so that's good. I like that. I don't want to see it come back to the bottom of here just now. I wanted to wait. No, just wait, bro. Dang. Don't go touch the bottom of the daily gap yet. Just turn red so I can get in. Oh, my. They get on my dang nerve. I just want to turn red. Because the reason why I wanted to just turn red, if it just turned red here, at least I can target the bottom of this gap. If it don't go all the way back down. But now, since it touched the bottom of the gap, now it's like, if it don't close past, it's a chance that it can be setting up the reverse, make an uptrend, If it closed past, then I do think we still drop, but it's just my stop loss bigger than it would have been if they would have stayed up here. That's the only thing, bruh. I was hoping it didn't touch the bottom again. I just wanted to sit right here and turn red. They played me with that one, man. I promise you I was finna pull the trigger. I probably still grab these shorts here though. Style loss gotta be up here though. That's the thing. Until we go make a lower low. That's the only thing I don't like. That's why we gonna go one con for sure. We gonna go one contract for sure. We're not going to. Not with this trade. And I'm not taking this on the line. We taking this on the evals. Take this on the eval. Take this on the evals. Alright, here we go. Let's grab a short here. Don't show again. Let's see. Hopefully. Dang. Let me turn it off. All that noise. I need to go to my settings on TraderWay. That must too loud. I'm on here doing the copy trader thing, and that must have order field extra loud. Alright, how do I turn the audio off on TraderWay? Cause I don't want to hear it saying no order field. Yeah, order audio off. Turn that mud off. Alright. Hopefully we don't get reversed here and get kicked out. But at least we took one contract. Cause that's the thing I was saying, y'all. If it don't close below that daily gap, it's a chance that we might come back and reverse. We really need to close below this daily gap. Really needed to close below there. Close below there, we good, man. We good. Close below. I'm not adding. I don't care if it look like it's getting better. I'm not adding. We sticking with this one contract. And we gotta probably be careful because it might try to spike down real fast and bounce right back up. If it wanna, if it continue this downtrend. So we probably gotta hurry up and trail real quick. Don't never know. We gotta watch. Watch and see. Watch and see. I'm just ready to bring my style off down. That's what I'm ready to do. Ready to bring that style off down, cause they got me down there. Got me vulnerable with all this big stop loss. Vulnerable. I really don't want to see a green candle here, to be honest, but it ain't the end of the world if it turns green here. It just means I'm probably gonna be having to sit in this trade longer. You know, the only way it's kind of the end of the world is once it closed past this high up here. It closed past here, I'm almost sure we finna get kicked out. I mean, we do got a 5-minute gap to potentially protect us, but that's about it. So this might be one and done trade though. This might be the only trade I take today. Win, lose, or draw. One trade today. Well, it ain't gonna be no draw, cause I ain't going to break even. We're not going to break even. Oh, I took the 15-minute out. 15-minute. Oh, we got our stop at the 15-minute lower high. So, yeah, we actually had a nice spot. This trade gonna bro, come on now. That's it. It's okay if it sweeps this high. As long as we ain't closing past. Same, bro. Come on, I like that. I like that drop. It'd be even better if you just turn red and close below the daily gap. Take us to target. Okay, close underneath the daily gap. Come on, bring us down to target. Bring us down to target, man. Bring us down to target. I'm finna bring stops now. Soon we take target. Nah, come on, bro. Come take the target. Quit playing around, man. Come on down there. Soon we take target, I'm bringing stops. I might bring it right, literally above this hourly gap, like probably right here at 860, somewhere like that. Might bring my stop to like 860. Let me set alert. I mean, even though I'm watching it, I just had this alert set. So in case it like spike and it don't show me like I'm lagging or something. Only thing that'll be trash if we somehow spike now and shoot right back up instantly. Like y'all know, like that 1 millisecond spike down, go back up. That's the only thing that's up right here if that happens. They need to come on the target though. They playing games. Target literally right there. I think if I see a green count though, I might want to get out. I want to just go to target all red counters. I think if I see a green count, I might just close. So this gotta drop. It need to stay red. I really don't want to see a green counter. I don't even know how to even handle the trade, playing around. Come on, bro. We don't want to see no green candle, bro. We need to close below the daily gap, bro. Just let us go straight red, please. I ain't trying to wait all day in this trade. No, bro. No, bro. What y'all doing? Oh, not, bro. I'm about to cut this dang trade. It getting on my dang nerve. I do not want to see no green candle, bro. Cause all they're doing is prolonging the trade. We still got a lot of time, though. We still got a lot of time. It still can end up closing red. I ain't gonna lie, I would add right here if this 1 minute candles close below. This is where I would add another contract right here. But I told y'all we're not adding, so we sticking with this. But I would literally add right here. This is where I would add an extra contract normally if price action wasn't trash. Then where I would have got in extra. But come on, bro. Don't close green. Don't close green. Or if you do close green, stay on the daily gap, please. That's my thing. If you're gonna close green, stay on the daily gap. Stay on the daily gap if you're gonna close green. I think next time we come take this low here, I think that's gonna be what take us to target. So whenever we come back and take this low right here, we should go to target. As if we come take the low and it ain't trying to reverse. Hopefully it's not trying to reverse here, man. It's gonna be tragic if it reverse. I'm hoping it's not trying to reverse. It look like it is trying to reverse though. Did that 1 minute close back in the daily gap? I'm gonna check and see. Let me see. Dang, the 1 minute close back in. They so lame, bro. This is some trash. I told y'all, horrible price action, bro. Horrible price action. Horrible, horrible, horrible. We might even get stopped out, man. I don't know. Maybe it'll just sweep that 5 minute high and come back down. But it's a chance we might get stopped out, y'all. It's a chance. Now I am expecting it to come take this high though. It's just, can we just hurry up and sweep it and come right back down? That's the biggest thing. Can we sweep it and come right back down? Price action is bad, bro. Hey, dang, that made me want to get off the chart right now. I don't think I know this. It's the only trade I'm taking. I'm glad I didn't trade my live account because this stuff is horrible. But like I said, whenever we finally come take this low, I think that's when it's gonna come hit target. But if we never come take this low, then I don't think we ain't gonna hit target. I just needed to go take that low. That's all I need. See, sweep this high and just don't keep pushing. Alright, it took the high. Hopefully it don't just keep pushing here. Hopefully get some rejection. I really don't want to see it close past the high. Close past that high, we literally in the hands of the market at that point. We got nothing we can't do about it. If the market want to kick us out, it will. If it don't, it don't. I want to see a nice rejection come. Get a rejection. Gonna get a rejection. And if we don't get this rejection right here, if this candle don't flip back red hard, the next candle we only needed to sweep that high. That's it. It closed past. I'm gonna manual close my trade if the next 5-minute candle close past this 5-minute right here. If it don't already hit, kick us out the trade. Manual close it myself. So yeah, I'm glad we only took one contract, man. Cause this would have been trash. So we say our daily loss is 300, but hey, I'll just risk this 150 or so, and we gonna call it. So just cause we don't have to always hit our max loss that we want to, have for that day, our daily loss. Yes, I say I'm risk 300 a day, but if it's just a trash day and I'm only down 150, hey, it's not gonna trade. I'm not finna just be like, you know what? Let me lose 150 more to make sure I got my negative 300. I'm not finna do that. Even if I'm down $60, if it's trash, it's just trash. I don't even want to trade it no more. So. I think we gonna still close green here. I think if we don't close green, it'll make it interesting. But I think we do close green here, and then next candle come sweep the high. Oh, hold up, what's going on? We kind of moving now. They're gonna make it interesting. Closing red here. I really don't know what it's trying to do if it close red here. Yeah, I don't know what it's trying to do. Cause I'm expecting us to sweep that high. So I would expect us to come sweep this high. It's just I don't want us to close past it. If we don't come sweep this high, I really don't know what's gonna happen. I really don't know, At least I can have some prediction, but if it don't come sweep this high, I don't got no prediction. I don't know what's gonna go down. Maybe we just shoot down extremely hard straight to target. Maybe that happened. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Especially if it don't go sweep that high. Because I'm expecting a sweep of this high before us trying to come down to these lows right here. But like I said, I don't. Shoot, if it go hit that low, that's why I said it might push down extremely hard. Oh snap! Hey, y'all ain't go. It's What the? It's lagging, bro. Ain't no, bruh. Ain't no freaking way. It didn't lag this whole time, bro. Bro, I'm so mad, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. It literally didn't lag this whole freaking time, bro. What is that? I'm so mad, bro. Y'all don't know how mad I am right now, bro. That's crazy. It didn't lag this whole time. Now I gotta hold and see if it's gonna go back down there. That's some boo boo. I ain't gonna say bad word. I don't cuss. But man, what the heck, bro? We was literally at 144, and I told y'all I'm gonna put my stop at 860. I tried to drag my trade, even my trader bait froze. Like, what in the heck, bro? How the heck the trader bait freeze? I can see if the trading view would have froze, but how the heck my trader bait freeze too? That's some bull crap, bro. That's some bull crap, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tight right now. I'm mad in the room. I brought stops down to this high though. Dang, bro. Now we literally don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully it come back and retest these lows, man. Hopefully. Man, I'm so mad, bro. That's some trash, bro. We literally was at 144. And I couldn't even move my stop loss. Cause the whole screen just Tradeovate and what's the name? Just Tradeovate and Trading View just froze. Man, I'm so mad, bro. It's some trash, bro. Like I sleep one just close the trade. Like that's some trash, bro. Real deal trash. Man, I'm so mad, bro. I think I'm about to add one here though. I think I may add one here. I really want to see us close below this daily gap though. Think about adding one here if we can close past the daily gap. I'm gonna add one. We lose this, it is what it is, bro. I'm done. Bro, that's some trash, bro. Like, how the heck that just lag like that, man? Like, what the heck, bro? How you even? I should just put a TP. I should just put a TP for real. I was trying to, y'all know I like to trail my stops, right? So that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna trail, but I ain't know it's gonna do me like that, bro. We put a buy limit here. So we can at least get out of one if it come back down there. Hopefully it go back down there, bro. They get on my nerves, bro. That's some wild stuff right there. That's some wild stuff. Come on, go hit the limit. I'm gonna bring one of them. I'm bring down. All right, we took profit off one. That's some wild stuff, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That just made me mad, bro. I think I'm about to grab another short here. Actually, no, we ain't gonna grab another one. We're gonna just wait, let it try to drop. I was gonna add another one there, but I'm gonna let it try to drop. That jump crazy, bro. Not gonna lie, that's some crazy stuff that just happened, bro. They literally didn't even allow me to put my stop, bring my stop down. If this candle closed green, I might close this trade, y'all. And we just take that little profit off the other contract we had. Hopefully it don't be a big green candle though. Hopefully it can just stay like down here. If it wanna close green. If it's a big green candle, oh well, we end up being down on the day. Come on, bro. Don't make no big green counter. Give us some rejection. Really don't want to see a big green counter here. Wow, they really gonna do me like that, man? Give me some rejection. Give me some rejection. I think we still, even if we lose this, we probably be like close to break even. Like we'll be real close to break even if we lose it. Cause right now, if I close, I'm in profit still. It's only $30 in profit, but I'll still be in profit right now if I close. But I'm not gonna close it. Not until I see what this counter gonna do. I need a rejection, bro. What the heck? Literally gonna do the one thing I said don't do. Make the big green counter. Crazy. We literally supposed to take 144 though. That's wild. Or at least we was supposed to take like 150. We at least supposed to take like 150, bro. Wow, this is wild, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tight about my trade, bro. I'm tight about that trade, bro. That's crazy, bro. Like, how the heck that mud freeze, bro? It ain't freeze this whole time. I think we might get stopped out here. Come on, give us a rejection. We need a hard rejection, bro. I don't like this trade now. I kind of want to cut it. Kind of want to cut it, bro. Not gonna lie. I'ma hold it, but I slick want to cut this trade, bro. I didn't want to see a dang green counter right there. They messed my dang trade up with that wick, bro. And what's so funny, we literally was talking about it before it happened. We said it might spike down real quick and shoot up real fast. Remember I said that, y'all. So I said, let me put an alert down there. We set our alert down there. But somehow Tradeovate and dang freaking TradeView both freeze at the perfect time it drop hard. Like, how the heck y'all both freeze? That's what I'm trying to figure out. How both of them freeze at the same time? Right when the market did that drop, it ain't freeze the whole time. Right when the market did the drop, it gonna freeze. Yeah, I think we getting kicked out, bro. Dang, bro. Unless this counter can just shoot down hard right here, I think we getting kicked out. It's some trash, bro. A trade that we shouldn't even lost, bro. That's crazy. We wouldn't even have lost this dang trade, bro. I'm mad in the mud, bro. Dang, bro. That would suck. If you lose a trade that you really didn't lose, bro, it would due to lag or something like that. That would make you, boy, make you tight. Cause right now, if I close where I'm at, we up $30 on the day. If it go hit my stop loss, I think I'll be negative 20 on the day. So, it's some trash, bro. Yeah, I think I just let it hit stop loss at this point. Ooh, I'm tight. That's some trash, bro. Like, come on, bro. How y'all both lag at the same time? Couldn't even move my dang stop loss, bro. It was like they ain't put a lockout on my account and said you ain't finna be able to move nothing. You just gonna watch it come back up. Hopefully we can get if we get a red counter right here, I still got good chance, good hope. We can get a red 5-minute counter here without taking it high. But I'm gonna be honest, it don't look good though. It look like it's gonna go take it out. It don't look good. But we get a red count, we could at least have some chance of coming back down. I ain't gonna mad about that trade, bro. Like, bro, I was up 144, bro. Mm-mm-mm. That ain't made me mad, bro. Even if I win this trade, I'm still gonna be mad. Cause like that ain't even. I should